Traders shouldn't ever start a Facebook ads campaign with a lead form. I've tested it and here's why. Lead forms are designed for people who want your services. Sure, you'll get some people to submit their details, but in my experience, the lead cost will be extremely high. Of course, there are anomalies where some will crush it with lead forms, but against cold traffic, I never recommend starting with lead forms. Warm up the audience first. Run a video reach ad campaign, then retarget anyone who'd engage at a specific level with a lead form. This is one strategy that will work. You could also run a landing page views campaign and retarget anyone who did not submit their details with a lead form. You could even go one step further. Depending on how many landing page views you get, you need at least 200 for this to work. And you could retarget the top 25% of users by time spent on site with the lead form. You generally want to have a lot of landing page views for this to work. I recommend between 500 and 1,000, but you need a minimum of 200 events in order to retarget. Remember, your ad is being shown to real people who may want your services. However, they must be shown the right info and sometimes the right information multiple times over. Follow me or add me for more marketing content. Cheers.